In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving algebraic fractions for the WASSCE Maths. Alright, so let's get started. Guys, for this question, I will be making use of the calculator to show you guys how you can solve problems involving algebraic fractions here. So, if you want to learn how to solve algebraic fractions manually, that's without using calculator, I have separate videos for it. Check the playlist of this WASSCE Maths videos. You will see some videos that are recorded on how to solve algebraic fractions manually without using a calculator. So for the purpose of this video and because of time, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this with the calculator. The repeated question I'm going to solve in this video, we solve them basically with the calculator. So let's begin this question 1. It says, if root 50 minus k root 8 equals 2 over root 2, find k. So let's bring a calculator now and solve this question. So this is the calculator as usual. The first thing to do will be to reset. Press shift button 9, full instructions, press equal to and press equal to again. Alright, so we are good to go. To solve this, we're going to make use of equation solve on this calculator. So we have root 50, alright, then degree space minus, we have, let's replace k with x on this calculator. That's what the calculator recognizes. We have alpha and this button for s to come out, then root 8, alright, give space. To bring out the equality sign, press alpha and this calc button, in fraction 2 over root 2. So that's what we have there. Let's press shift and calc to solve this. When you get there, assign s to be 0, very important. Okay, press equal to. So x equals what? 2. Option C is the right answer to this question. It's as simple as this. So let's solve question 2. We're making progress. So it says if this expression equals 1 to 5, find the value of x. We are still going to make use of equation solve on the calculator. Let's get it once more. So this is the calculator. Let's impute this. We have in bracket 2x alpha and this button, okay, plus 3, close the bracket, to the power 3. You come down, you press alpha and this calc button for equality sign to come out, equals 125. Okay, so this is what you have to do to solve this. Press shift and this calc button, assign s to be 0, very important. Now press equal to solve it. So x equals 1, option B. So that's it for this question. Let's solve question 3. So question 3 says simplify this algebraic fraction where n is not equal to 0. So guys, for this question it's actually very simple. I'm going to show you. Let's bring the calculator first. So this is the calculator. Now our m and our n will be replaced with x and y on this calculator. So in this question we're going to store our x and y. Let's just store them as 2 respectively. We have the m and n are being replaced with x and y. Hope you guys understand. So let's store x as 2. Press 2, shift, store x. Let's also store 2 as y. Shift, store, these are y, sd button. So now let's evaluate this algebraic fraction. So our m is our x, alpha x, over y. Our n is our y, alpha this. Okay, we have plus in fraction again in bracket x, alpha x minus 1. Okay, close the bracket, over, we have 5, our n is y. Okay, then we have minus in brackets a fraction in bracket x is our m, minus 2, close the bracket, sorry, this 2. Okay, over, we have 10 y, our y is our n. So that's it for this question. Hope we're not missing anything. Let's press the equal to button now to see the output. 11 over 10. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyway, that gives us 11 over 10 will basically be the answer to this question. Okay, so 11 over 10 is approximately 1.1. Alright, so let's begin with option A. But may look at the options. I know that the right option here will be option C. Let's verify. So we have 11, our m is x over, then our n is y. This will give us 11 over 10. Where is equals? You see, the right option is option C, 11 over 10. That's 11m over 10n. So it's as simple as this, guys. That's it for question 2. It says the square root of a number is 2k. What is half of the number? Now, guys, for this question, you don't basically need calculator to solve it. So for the number that the square root is 2k, that number is basically 4k square. Okay, so half of 4k square will basically give you 2k square. The right option here is option A. This one is simple logic. Okay, so that's for question 5. Let's go to question 6. It says simplify this. Now, guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. We really appreciate this, guys. Okay, so let's solve this question. Let's get a calculator. Alright, so for this question, we only have one variable here, x. So our x is still stored as 2 on this calculator. We have not reset this calculator, so this 2 is still stored. Let's use this 2 is stored to simplify the fraction we have here. So we have alpha x square, okay, minus 5x, okay, minus 14 over, we have x square minus 9x plus 14. So that's it, guys. Let's press equal to see the output. Math error. Let's go back and check something. Okay, minus 5x minus 14. We have math error. So what it means is, let's simplify the options. Anyone that gives us math error will also be the answer to this question. Okay, so let's begin with option. May looking at this question, I can decode that the right option will be option C. Let's check. Option C will give us math error. Undefined is the math error, so it will be x plus alpha and this button plus 2 over, we have x alpha and this button minus 2. Okay, so this will give a math error. You see, so the right option is option C. No other option here will give you math error except option C. Okay, so that's it for this question, guys. It's as simple as this. So let's check the next question, which is question 7. It says simplify this. So this question is very simple. Let's bring the calculator. So for this question, we are not storing any value. So we have a fraction in brackets. So put the fraction. We have 1 over 4. Alright, close the brackets. We have to the power. Now this power is 1 whole number minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So let's put it in improper fashion. That's 2 times 1. That's 2 plus 1, 3. So this will give us minus 3 over 2. So that's what we're going to have there. If we turn it into improper fraction, minus 3 over 2. Okay, so that's what we have here for this question. Let's press equal to see the output. 8. So right option is option B. It's as simple as this. Let's solve the next repeated question, which is this one. It says simplify this. Okay, so let's bring the calculator. So this is the calculator for this question. we have x, y, and z. So let's store 2 arcs. So we're going to replace z with, let's say, which alphabet now? Alphabet A. Okay, 2 shift store A. All right, so let's simplify what we have there. We have 2 over 3 x. Remember, x is stored as 2 and y is stored as 2, then minus in fraction 3 over 4 y z. Our z is our a, alpha, and this bottom. So that's it for this question. Let's press equal to see the output. Minus 1 over 48. So right now let's simplify. Any option that gives us minus 1 over 48 will be the answer to this question. So let's begin with option A. Okay, so we have 8z, that's 8a. Okay, minus 9 z, that minus 9x alpha x over, we have 12 x y z. So that's what it means. Let's press equal to. Exactly, so the right option is option A, minus 1 over 48. So it's as simple as this, guys. So let's solve the next question, last question, before we call this a video, which is this one. Okay, so guys, before I solve this question, I want to let you know that I have a separate channel. If you are new to this channel, I have another channel called Casio Calculator Tutor. In that channel, I record mainly calculator trick videos for maths. Alright, so I have a separate playlist where I have done about 100 videos on WASSCE Maths. So if you want to learn more about how to use this calculator to solve various WASSCE Maths questions, you know, even advanced ones, I recommend that you check that channel. I'm going to leave the link of that channel in the description of this video below. Check the description of this video below. You see the link to that channel. Go to it to take you to that channel. Watch those videos. You'll be glad you did. Alright, to prepare you very well to use this calculator to solve any problem you meet in your WASSCE Maths, including further maths, for those of you doing further maths. Okay, so let's solve this question. Let's bring the calculator now. So let's wipe this. We are still making use of the x we stored as 2. We have not cleared the calculator, so we have x alpha x minus 4, okay, over 4, then minus in fraction we have x minus 3 over 6. So let's see what this is going to give us. Minus 1 over 3. So right now let's simplify. Any option that gives us minus 1 over 3 will be the answer. So let's get option A. We have x minus 18 over 24. Okay, no, so let's check. We got minus 1 over 3 basically. So let's check option B. We have 6 here. No, let's check option C. Remember, I got minus 1 over 3. So remove this and put 18. Come down and put 12 here. Alright. No, so it has to be option D. It has to be option D. Put 6 here. Exactly, minus 1 over 3. So the right option is option D. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving algebraic fractions for your WASSCE Maths. Hope there's something interesting for this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be receiving premium information that will help you excel in your academic external exams and other external exams right outside WASSCE. Alright, don't forget to check out my other channel, Casio Calculator Tutor, to watch more videos, advanced videos beyond this, solving problems on maths, WASSCE math using this calculator. You'll be glad you did. I'm going to leave the link to my channel in the description below, so check it out. Go through those videos, WASSCE math videos using calculator in that channel. You'll be glad you did. So having known that, click let's go above, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to restart once you're done. Press shift button 9, follow instruction, press 3, press record, and press record again. So that's it, guys.